Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, IT Explorer. So for today, we will learn 3 ways on how you can protect your Excel workbook or your worksheet. So as you can see, I have a sample worksheet here. The first way is I want to protect it by encrypting a password. To do that, you just have to go to File and then click on Info and then Protect Workbook and choose this option, Encrypt with Password. So it says here, it will require a password to open this workbook. Then enter the password, 12345. Click OK. Re-enter it, 12345. Click OK. All right. So I haven't saved yet this file, so let me just save it. All right, let's save it as sample. Click save. So let's close this. And let's try to open the file. So you can see upon opening the file, it is asking for the password. Let's go ahead and enter the password, which is 12345. And we are now able to open the workbook. If you want to prevent your users from accidentally or deliberately changing or modifying your worksheet, you can use the Protect Sheet feature. To do that, just click on Review tab and then click on Protect Sheet. Then enter your password, 12345. So this is the default setting. So basically, all cells will be prevented from any changes. Click OK. Re-enter the password. Click OK. So if you select and try to type on any cell, it will show this message. So you cannot modify anything. So let's try to unprotect the sheet, 12345, and yes, we can modify it now. Okay, so we want all cells to be protected, to be locked, except E2, which is our location. So to do that, click on the cell which you want to allow the user to have an input. And then you can see this small arrow, this one. Okay, click on it. Let's try to click on the cell again. Click on this arrow. You can see. Click on protection and then unlocked. Remove the lock, the check mark on this locked option, and then click OK. All right. And what you want to do next is click on Review and then Protect Worksheet or Protect Sheet, and then enter your password, 12345. Okay, 12345. All right. So let's check if we can change this. No, you cannot. Can we change this? Of course you cannot. Can you change this? Yes, you can. Okay, so let's try to enter a correct value. Let's say Denver. All right, so we are able to input on this cell except all other cells. So those are the 3 ways on how you can protect your Excel worksheet. Hope this video helps, and thanks for watching. Bye!